Let's get started explaining to you the top 5 SQL Server updates and changes and how they affect you. Licensing. There are 3 types of licenses: Standard, Enterprise, and Business Intelligence, or BI. As far as Server CAL model and core-based licensing are concerned, Standard is both Server CAL and core-based, Enterprise is core-based only, and Business Intelligence is Server CAL only. Virtualization. With Server CAL and Standard Core, you license each VM individually, 4 cores per virtual machine minimum if using core-based licensing. With Enterprise, you have the option to license all physical cores to get unlimited virtual machine rights with SQL. However, in order to exercise this option, you must have and maintain active SA. Software assurance. For those with locked-in pricing on an enterprise agreement for SQL Enterprise Server CAL, it can be renewed as SA only, but no new license will be able to be purchased after your 3rd year true-up and the renewal is processed. You do have rights to install SQL Enterprise 2012 and 2014, but because this edition is end of life, Microsoft has hard-coded a 20-core limit in the software when you do upgrade from 2008 R2. In the SQL Server Core model, both Standard and Enterprise, you have a minimum consumption rate of 4 cores either per physical processor or per virtual machine. Even if you have less than 4 cores assigned to a VM, you'll still have to assign 4 cores to that VM. License mobility is an SA benefit that allows SQL to migrate from host to host as needed without the typical 90-day rule and can be applied one of 2 ways. Licensing individual VMs with SA allows the use of license mobility with each of those licenses. The only way to get license mobility when all physical cores are licensed with SA is to license more than one host. This means you must license individual virtual machines and move them around as needed, or you license multiple hosts with Enterprise Core with SA and only have SQL running on those hosts. Prior to April 1st, 2015, EA customers who true up SQL per processor will receive a SQL Core licensing grant for actual cores in use. If it's after April 1st, your organization will only receive the minimum grant. For example, if you have 2 SQL Enterprise servers, each processor has 16 cores. If trued up prior to April 1st, 32 core licenses are granted. If server is not trued up, a minimum grant of 4 core licenses per processor is granted. To run SQL 2014, an additional 24 core licenses must be purchased. To get the conversation started, talk to your dedicated SHI account executive today.